All right, welcome back. Hope you click the subscribe button down there. Let's unbox this guy. All right, so this is the Winter Essentials Kit MotoMaster Black Friday deal. If I recall, includes 1 year roadside assistance. So for $40, you get all that stuff. So let's take a look. All right. Oh, look at that. All right. So comes in a nice little bag. All right. There we go. All right. Let's open this up. It sits nice and firm. It's not a loose bag. It's got some rigidity to it. All right. We got the roadside kit. Going to keep that handy. It looks like a little card here for scan the code to access instructional videos. Oh, that's cool. Emergency maintenance manuals, product information, and much more. Keep that. All right, keep this to the side. All right, so what do we got here? All right, so we'll open that up. We got ourselves a blanket. All right, so it feels pretty good quality actually. Pretty nice in the case of an emergency. So, all right. My biggest thing was to see what's the quality of the shovel like. Was it going to be, really flimsy? Yeah, look at that. Look how firm that is. And got a nice handle. Got some batteries. We'll look at that in a second. We got ourselves some gloves. Oh, look at that. Let's put those on here. They fit my hands. My hands are extra large, in case you're curious, I got some nice grips there. Those are actually quite nice. 56 polyester, 32 cotton, 7.8 rayon. All right, let's move that away for now. Okay, flashlight. Batteries. Keep the batteries in, out, in, out. Let me know in the comments below. Tells you how to put the batteries in. Maybe for the first time. All right. We got a headlamp, looks like, or at least maybe part of a headlamp. We'll see what comes up in just a sec. Hand warmers. I've used these. A must-have. Get these. All right, that's what I was curious. Not plastic, and we just go ahead and put that in. And then, of course, we've got our handle. Goes on there, and you've got yourself a nice solid shovel. I'm actually impressed with the shovel. This, I expected to be a lot more unusable, especially in the cold. All right, well, a classic window scraper, all right? You could probably use a little bit as a shovel. Dig, 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 dig. Booster cables. If you don't know how to use the booster cables, I bet you that's going to be your best friend right there, okay? All right, what else is in here? Little brush. Brush the snow off yourself. And you know what I suspect? I suspect that these two go together. That's what I suspect. And you know what? That has got to be the best thing. How many times do you need a light? You need both hands, right? Look at that. Look at that. Now, you put that around your head and move it around wherever you need. That is smart, you guys. That is excellent. Otherwise, that's it that's in there. And let's see. This is going to be the $1,000,000 question, right? Can you put it back in the same way, if not better, than the way it was packed? And why is that important? Well, I don't know about you guys, but when you check your gear, it never goes back the same way. But guess what? Just like that, back in it goes. And that's actually good Velcro. Look at that. It won't fall apart like some of those cheaper brands. And you've got yourself the essential kit. Now, let's quickly touch on this emergency plan because I wasn't sure what kind of plan this was. So let's take a look here. Oh, that's Parlez-vous français. Let's move over here. English. English for the viewers. All right. So plan activation, you got to visit and activate within 30 days. Okay, or you can call the number. The plan type is emergency plan members. So you get 2 service calls, 50 kilometer per service call distance limit to Canadian Tire Auto Service Center. Towing service within the network will tow your vehicle to the nearest Canadian Tire. All right. Battery boost service. We'll work with the network to get the boosting. All right. Fuel delivery, lockout service, flat tire change, extrication and winching service. That's pretty cool. You know, I can tell you I've never been stranded into a snowbank, but if that happened, you get 1 tow truck and 1 service provider per service call for a maximum 20 minutes. Well, I guess that's make sure you're not too deep in the snowbank. Of course, services not covered give you an option to review all of that. And, you know, depending on your desire, it looks like you can also 20% off if you want to upgrade to silver or gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. All right. So, great unboxing. Roadside assistance. This in itself is worth this. You could say you're paying for this and you're getting this for free. I would gladly take that every year to get a fresh one, to get an emergency plan. So if you don't have an emergency plan come winter, here you go. Cost you $40 right now, Canadian Tire on sale. Regularly $54. Still a good deal, but if you can get it for $39, do it. Under $40 emergency plan.